Hello friends, welcome to the Trading Temple channel. Today we're going to analyze the total market cap charts, Bitcoin and dominance, and see what the current state of crypto looks like. As you can see, this is the total market cap chart for all of crypto, and you can see that it's reached new all-time highs. The previous all-time high was here, which it broke through in this area. Now, once again, it has recently set a brand new all-time high just 2 or 3 days ago, and at this very moment, it is steadily moving upward once again. And according to the analysis we did last week, when the total market cap was in this area, we said that this is a back test of the previous all-time highs, and it's being tested as a support level. And as you can clearly see, the support level held, and if you carefully look at the RSI as well, which I specifically told you last week, when the RSI comes down to 40 and consistently stays there, then moves upward, it effectively acts like a support. This particular movement means we still have bullish momentum in the market. And for now, the total market cap has once again set new all-time highs. The total market cap excluding Bitcoin, this is its chart, is close to hitting new all-time highs. So far, it hasn't reached new all-time highs, and this is mostly revolving around Ethereum. In other words, the sharp upward moves by Ethereum have caused the total market cap too, which excludes Bitcoin, to move up, and right now it's close to its all-time highs. There's an 80 to 90% chance it will break its all-time highs beautifully in the coming week. And the total market cap, which excludes both Ethereum and Bitcoin, has performed well in recent times. It's mostly driven by XRP, Solana, Cardano, and the like. As you can see, it previously tested its all-time highs here, then entered a major correction, and now it's gone back up, getting close to the all-time highs again. It did a back test here, and this area was tested as support. Again, this support level, and now it's moving upward once more, as you can see. Here you can see the RSI, which has once again held at the 40 mark. And this one is also very likely to hit new all-time highs. Usually when the total crypto market cap breaks its all-time highs, the subsequent total market caps also tend to break their all-time highs one by one. But what's interesting now is the total market cap for coins with a market cap above 10, meaning those with a market cap over 10. You can see that altcoins with a market cap above 10 haven't performed very well in recent times. It tested the all-time high once but couldn't really break through and experienced a major correction, almost like a crash, and now its situation might be said to be a bit better. As you can see, the RSI has held at 40 here, and we had a nice backtest at this point, and now it's moving upward. In the very next significant move, I personally think it can potentially go up to this specific area, have a slight temporary pullback, and subsequently go even higher again, perhaps reaching new peaks. This one could also break its all-time highs. In crypto, first of all, money flows into Bitcoin, then into Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and then into coins that are ranked above the top 10. And you can clearly see this beautiful sequence happening. In the charts I showed, it was clear which ones were close to their all-time highs, which ones are not close to their all-time highs, and right now the total market cap of others is not near its all-time highs, but it has a lot of potential. The big profits are in the coins ranked above the top 10, because most of the coins in the top 10 are now close to their all-time highs, like XRP, Solana, Ethereum. These are close to their all-time highs. There isn't going to be a lot of profit in them, at most maybe between 100 to 200%. You can see the Bitcoin chart. As we accurately predicted last week, Bitcoin experienced a very nice bounce right on the crucial support level and is now steadily moving upward with significant momentum. And Bitcoin dominance has been really interesting. As you can clearly see, Bitcoin dominance has definitively formed a significant peak here, and now it has successfully completed a thorough backtest of the established resistance level and is currently moving steadily downward. In this recent move, most of the money has flowed into Ethereum, which is why Bitcoin dominance is getting weaker and weaker. The more Bitcoin dominance drops, the better it is for altcoins. Another truly interesting and significant thing to observe is that if we carefully examine the Bitcoin price chart and, on the other hand, meticulously overlay the overall market capitalization of various other cryptocurrencies directly onto it, we can clearly discern that, as I previously mentioned, the performance and upward movement of these other digital assets typically tend to manifest and gain momentum only after Bitcoin itself is approaching or has reached its peak valuation. That is to say, precisely when Bitcoin's powerful and extensive bull run is on the verge of concluding and winding down. Others start their upward move, and you can see this in 2021 when the all-time highs for others happened here. When Bitcoin was near its top, that is, when its bull run was about to end, others were just breaking their own all-time highs and making a strong move upward, because the money that had gone into Bitcoin gradually starts to flow out and moves into coins that are ranked above the top 10. And you can see this happening, you can observe it. Others usually go up significantly at the very end of Bitcoin's bull run. And what you see here is the dominance of others. And you can see that altcoins haven't performed very well and are still testing their lowest levels. And personally, I think in the coming weeks and months, this trend will change and others will start their move. And another interesting thing is that when Tether dominance drops, it's good for altcoins and the market. And in this section, you can see that Tether has been in a heavy range and has this trend line, and it's slowly moving downward. And when Tether loses this support level, we'll see a much sharper move. And at that point, during this move along the red line I've drawn, altcoins will explode. That was today's video about total market caps, Bitcoin, and dominances. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And always remember, trading is never 100% certain. Everything is about probability. And don't forget, this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Until the next video, goodbye.